Crash course on physics, quantum mechanics and relativity. Gain an understanding of quantum mechanics and relativity and their impact on our understanding of the universe. Certainly, let's dive into the fascinating world of quantum mechanics and relativity. Quantum mechanics is a branch of physics that studies the behavior of matter and energy at a very small scale, such as that of atoms and subatomic particles. Relativity, on the other hand, is a theory that describes the behavior of large objects moving at high speeds and in the presence of strong gravitational fields. Together, these two theories have revolutionized our understanding of the universe and led to the development of many important technologies. One of the most interesting examples of quantum mechanics is the concept of superposition. This means that a particle can exist in multiple states at once, until it is observed or measured. This has led to the development of quantum computers, which can perform multiple calculations at once by utilizing the principles of superposition. Another fascinating concept in quantum mechanics is entanglement. This occurs when two particles become linked in such a way that the state of one particle affects the state of the other, regardless of the distance between them. This has led to the development of quantum teleportation, a process that allows information to be transmitted instantaneously over long distances. Relativity has also had a significant impact on our understanding of the universe. One of the key concepts is the idea that time and space are not separate entities, but rather are part of a single four-dimensional structure known as spacetime. This has led to the development of GPS technology, which relies on precise timekeeping to determine the location of objects on Earth. Another important concept in relativity is the idea of black holes. These are objects with such strong gravitational fields that they trap all matter and light within a certain radius, known as the event horizon. Black holes have been observed and studied using advanced telescopes and have provided important insights into the behavior of matter in extreme conditions. Now let's take a look at the top 12 popular quantum mechanics and relativity applications in modern technology. 1. Quantum computing. Quantum computers utilize the principles of superposition and entanglement to perform multiple calculations at once, making them much faster than traditional computers for certain tasks. 2. Quantum cryptography. This is a technique that utilizes the principles of quantum mechanics to secure communication channels, making them virtually impossible to hack. 3. Quantum sensors. These sensors use quantum properties to measure changes in physical quantities with extremely high precision, allowing for more accurate measurements in a variety of fields. 4. GPS. The global positioning system relies on the precise timing provided by atomic clocks, which are based on the principles of relativity. 5. Magnetic resonance imaging, MRI. This medical imaging technology relies on the principles of quantum mechanics to create detailed images of the body's internal structures. 6. Atomic clocks. These clocks are based on the behavior of atoms and provide the most accurate timekeeping available today. 7. Semiconductor technology. The behavior of electrons in semiconductors is governed by quantum mechanics, and this has led to the development of many important technologies, such as transistors and solar cells. 8. Particle accelerators. These machines use the principles of relativity to accelerate particles to extremely high speeds, allowing scientists to study the behavior of matter in extreme conditions. 9. Lasers. Lasers rely on the behavior of atoms and photons, which are governed by quantum mechanics, to produce intense beams of light that have many applications, such as in surgery and manufacturing. 10. Nuclear power. The principles of relativity are used to understand the behavior of atomic nuclei, which has led to the development of nuclear power plants that generate electricity. 11. Quantum key distribution. This is a technique that uses the principles of quantum mechanics to distribute encryption keys securely, making them virtually impossible to intercept. 12. Space exploration. The principles of relativity are used to calculate the trajectories of spacecraft, as well as to understand the behavior of objects in space, such as black holes and other celestial bodies. In summary, quantum mechanics and relativity are two incredibly important and fascinating branches of physics that have had a profound impact on our understanding of the universe and the development of modern technology. From quantum computing and cryptography to GPS and MRI technology, these theories have revolutionized many aspects of our lives and will continue to shape our future. And now, as requested, Here's a poem on quantum mechanics and relativity. In the world of the very small, quantum mechanics rules them all. Particles dance in superposition, defying classical intuition. Entangled particles far apart, connected by a quantum heart. Teleportation in the air, instant communication, oh so rare. Relativity comes into play, for objects that move in a certain way. Spacetime bends and warps around. Gravity's effects are profound. Black holes trap all within their reach, defying the laws we thought we could teach. But through technology and science we learn the universe's secrets slowly we discern. So let us explore this world anew, with quantum mechanics and relativity as our view. For in this world of the very small and the very large, the mysteries of the universe we can finally discharge. Asterisk 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 Start planning your next global adventure with ease and convenience with our Booking.com referral link. https://www.booking.com/index.html?8 equals 7989335 as a great choice to plan your next trip. You can find and book flights, hotels, cars, and local attractions all in one place, and their price match guarantee ensures you're getting the best deal. Thank you for kind support our AnHub Metaverse channel, and please watch more interesting videos here.